Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the hardware and software so wireless charging can actually work. First, update iOS to the latest version so charging protocols are current. Next, connect a certified Qi wireless pad to a reliable wall adapter. Inexpensive USB chargers can underpower the pad. Once done, remove any bulky or metal case that blocks energy transfer and lay the iPhone 11 screen up on the pad, roughly centered, so the charging coil aligns and the phone can register incoming power. Now focus on alignment and verification. Center the phone until you see the lightning bolt on the lock screen or the pad's LED indicate charging. The iPhone 11 uses Qi charging, so overlap matters. Slight shifts can drop power. If it charges but very slowly, make sure the pad supports the higher 7.5-watt charge standard and the wall adapter supplies enough current. Also try repositioning the phone or rotating it a few degrees, because coil placement finish by ensuring consistent performance and troubleshooting any issues. If your iPhone doesn't show charging, restart it and check for debris on the pad or phone back. Swap to a known good wireless pad and adapter to isolate whether the phone or charger is at fault. Make sure there are no magnets or mounts between the phone and pad, and remove the case entirely for a test. If that fixes it, use a thinner case or accept reduced speed. If problems persist, check for hardware service.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.